Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Abentech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. The MLLSE G3 Mini PC is an exceptionally affordable and compact solution for revitalizing underused monitors or TVs, offering a full desktop experience for everyday tasks. With code ESHS15 on AliExpress, this mini computer features an Intel N100 12th Gen quad-core processor, 8GB DDR4 RAM, a 256GB SSD, and pre-installed Windows 11 Professional. Despite its small, CD case size, the MLLSE G3 delivers sufficient performance for office work, web browsing, 4K streaming, and light editing. Its integrated Intel GPU supports dual HDMI outputs for multi-monitor setups and 4K resolution at 60 Hz. The system is highly flexible, allowing storage expansion with M.2 PCIe, up to 2 TB, or SATA M.2, up to 1 TB. Connectivity is comprehensive, including Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 4.2, Gigabit Ethernet, and 4 USB ports, 3 3.0, 1 2.0. Its ultra-compact form factor, 11.4 by 10.6 by 4.2 cm, and low power consumption make it an ideal, silent, and efficient choice for home offices, classrooms, or as an entertainment center. It offers a practical, ready-to-use PC option without the high cost or bulk of traditional desktops. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.